Hey guys, and welcome back to Cat Sketch's DIY slime channel. Today we're gonna unbox this slime. I'm kidding. But we're gonna do our makeup with something crazy like slime. Hey everybody, it's your quirky makeup artist friend Cat Sketch who adores floral things and Elvis and everything grandma-esque aesthetics. We are here today to do a makeup transformation with not just regular stuff, of course. I'm gonna be using slime. I've never done slime, I've never made slime, a DIY slime kit, and I'm gonna follow Miss Karina Garcia's Queen of Slime of YouTube's instructions to make my own slime and use that as like a beauty blender, a makeup brush, whatever it is. I'm gonna use all of the slime to put it on the makeup on my face. I even got some pre-made in case the DIY comes out terrible. Karina Garcia, I'm supporting you, girl. I love you and your sister. Anyways, let's get started. I'm so nervous. Oh, and I am not the first person on YouTube to do this makeup challenge type thing of putting makeup on your face with slime. So I will definitely credit any YouTubers I found that have done this before me in case people want to scream at me and shout at me in the comments because they love to do that. So let's get started. I've, again, never done slime. I picked out this Craft City one by Miss Karina Garcia that's clear. Does it have these little fruit things in it? Original blue, pink, gold, green coloring includes everything you need. Oh my gosh, that sounds like foundation with metallic eyeshadows. What's in here? Do I have to read instructions? Karina's tips and tricks. Hey y'all, it's Karina here. For ages 8 and up. Hopefully am I smarter as an 8th grader? We will see. Oh my gosh, this one, I just found out this one says amazing scents. So before I get into the DIY slime, I have to smell this. I don't know about you, but even with makeup, I'm a weird person where I need to smell things. I've got it from my grandma. This one smells like buttered popcorn. Wow, this one was on sale too. But these all smell like, I hit the lottery. I did not know these were scented. I'm so happy. I get to sniff and huff slime. Is that safe to do? If it wasn't safe to do, they wouldn't have made it. I'm so excited I'm ruining everything. Oh my gosh, this does smell like butter popcorn. I'm so happy. Ew, it's very not good for applying makeup. That's what I'm gonna use it for. Literally, I bought these at Target and I brought them home and my boyfriend thought I surprised him with the greatest present in the world and he wants to play with them, but they might be all crusty, dusty, and musty, full of makeup after this. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. It's like the slime with the little foam balls in it, and it smells delightful if you want to know. This one is called Rainbow Drop Slime. I wonder if it smells like rainbow sherbet is what I'm hoping. It's weird that they have these. Oh my gosh. Ooh, no. Okay. It smells good at first. Then it has a... That makes me gag. Why is there beads in it and it's so liquidy? Oh. At first you're like, yay, it smells like Hawaiian Punch Kool-Aid. And then there's like this afterburn that gets in your nostrils and smells like vomit. Ugh. That's not fake, y'all. I'm really gagging. That's how bad this smells. But I really want to put that on my face. The Rainbow Drop Smile, not living for it. And there's beads in it. It literally looks like fake vomit blood mixed together. Sour Batch gummies, because copyright, I know about it. They couldn't call it Sour Patch. So Sour Batch gummy slime. This better smell like sour apple. I like how I'm reviewing slime before even putting, the makeup on. If you didn't know, sour or just apple scented flavored anything is my absolute favorite. So send them to P.O. Box 2121 in Seal Beach, California, 90740. I'm kidding. You don't have to send me anything. Okay, this too. You get a slight hint of apple. Ooh, but it smells so toxic. So far, only the popcorn ones really lighten my fuse. That one smells good. The other ones, Crunch Munch. Is this supposed to be like Captain Crunch? Why does it look like old Coca-Cola with buttons on the bottom? Jesus, please smell good. The gods This is a slime, Miss Karina Garcia. Please have this smell good. I'm so tired of smelling the crummy stuff. Ooh! Okay, there's still a little plasticky smell, but this definitely smells like chocolate. First, second, third, fourth. If you want to know. Okay, let's build this slime. Again, this is the clear slime kit that I got. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna save some of these for future makeup videos. But they have the little fun fruit slices. Confetti. Oh my gosh, and there's pigments. We have blue, green, yellow, and pink. Not yellow, gold pigment, cat. Get your stuff straight. I will. Let's make a clear one. Do I need the pigments? Because I'm just gonna put, oh my gosh, you build your own slime and put a slime name. That is great. Is there instructions? Let's make some clear slime with the fruit slices in it. And I might make a gold one because I love gold and blood red. Those are my two favorite colors. Ow, I sliced my finger. The top of these has like this metal paper that's very sharp, and I just sliced my finger with it and it's bleeding. Great! I'm a hot mess. Wow, it smells a little bit like fruits. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna divide it in half, do one half with gold pigment and the other half with the fruit slices. Is this dumb to put this gold? It's probably not. This might have been a bad idea because I don't know if this pigment is face safe. Ooh, we put some gold pigment in it. Now I have to mix it. Oh my gosh, I feel so ASMR queen, like those slime ASMR videos I love on, oh that burns, that cut I have, that I love on Instagram. Okay, I'm just mixing it. This is how the slime people do it, right? Oh, getting gold pigment everywhere. Oh, that's so satisfying. It's like the gold's encapsulated in this clear slime. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm having so much fun, y'all. Let's pick up more of the gold leftovers, the gold flakes. Oh my gosh, if you did gold with little gold G's in there, you could do one green and one red with more gold G's, it would be like Gucci slime. I'm ridiculous. This smells good. It smells like bear. Look how cool, it's gold now. Whoa, stuff just flew. Gryffindor. If you did red and then the gold. All right, there's the gold one. Now with the clear one, we're gonna put some fruit slices in her. I'm a child having fun. Okay, Karina Garcia, this is lit. This is so much fun. I love it. I approve so far. Okay, so you put it on top and then you start pulling the sides and then pushing it in the middle. That's how I see the slimers of Instagram do it. This is my favorite. This is so cute. This reminds me of the 90s like jelly shoes, but in slime form. I'm old, if you didn't guess. Oh my gosh, look, if you let it sit, it just attaches itself. Okay, now to do our makeup. I'm so nervous and excited at the same time. All right, first before applying our makeup, we need primer. This is the Fresh Face Glow Luminous Primer. You're gonna hear a lot of this. Your parents don't know what you're watching. Good luck. Show them this video, say it's this crazy girl who does makeup. How did it make my primer chunky? I just realized this was a bad idea. Have you seen the movie Flubber? Rest in peace, Robin Williams. This feels like I took Flubber and I'm just like torturing him and rubbing him on my face. Oh, it feels like snot. Let it glow, let it glow. That sounds so disgusting. Now that we have a nice primer down, I might use a foundation stick and then blend it in. Just for time's sake and because the way that this slime moves, it might blend it better if I have like a creamy consistency to blend it in. This time we're gonna use the clear one. Oh, that might be a bad idea. Oh well, we're doing it. Let's just take a piece of the clear. It's doing it, Mom! La-da-dee, la-da-dee, la-da. I got the horses on the back. Blah, blah, blah. This is gonna take my lifetime to blend. Oh, this foundation. Ooh, the rolling method. Oh, rolling method gets stuck in your hair. Remember the Silly Sponge? It was like that one silicone sponge that blew up a year or two ago. I want to say 2 years ago. And it was like a silicone sponge thing to put your foundation on. This reminds me of that Molly sponge. This is what it looked like at first. Clear. This is what it looks like now. Using Jet Cream blush. And put on my lips. Then I'm gonna blend her out. Blend! 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 Come on, you could do it. I just realized I have to do concealer. Great. This sounds like it's gonna be hard. Because my foundation didn't blend well, to be honest. So, if that didn't blend well, this might not blend well. That DIY slime kit though, I have to say, it was super easy because all you have to do is add pigments in fruit confettis, fruit piece slices. Oh, that's not bad. The problem with concealer is a lot of concealers dry really fast, and these DIY slimes take forever to blend in makeup because they lose their shape really easily. You can get a little bit of lighter concealer to highlight the points where I have dark pit circles under my eyes from not sleeping and trying to compensate with caffeine because I'm over 30 now. I'm in my 30s. So I'm thinking there's a youthful agency in slime if I apply my makeup with it. I'm kidding. Ooh, that's not bad. I thought I got a piece of slime, but it was just the concealer not blended under my eye. All right, I feel fresh and dewy. Now to powder. First, we're gonna get our Laura Mercier translucent powder. The tried and true. I'm gonna try to use good products that I know work with the slime so that it gives it a real, wow, a real fighting chance if I use really good products. Oh, I hate that sound now. I'm gonna start having nightmares that sound like this. Just a dark room in my nightmare that sounds like this. Oh gosh. What is my life? Oh my gosh, it's actually kind of looking good. What if this is the trick? What if this gets your face snatched? Are you ready, kids? Aye, cat. Can't hear you. All right, we're ready for contour. Powder contour with slime. We will see how this goes. It gets stuck in your baby hairs, and I have a million of them. If you don't have baby hairs, what heaven sent thing. Oh, I hate the way that looks like literal dirt. All right, let's do eyebrows. Why not? Why does my eye itch? Oh no. I just realized, what if I have an allergic reaction to this? Great. Actually, I think brows is the only thing I get to do normally because I use pencil. So, is it cheating? I don't think so. Hopefully the brows will save it all, sis. Oh, I do my brows differently kind of now. Because now I go in with brow gel first. I know that might be weird. It's like putting hairspray in your hair before curling it. Like, who does that? Just to like push those brow hairs up and out and shape them. Color them in a little. Just to give them some stiffness because I've got Asian brows. And then I go with brow pencil. And this just works out better for me. Alright guys, now for the hard part. I don't know why I decided to try a brand new eyeshadow palette. I think it's because I'm so excited to try this. But with this mess, with not regular tools, but with slime, I've wanted to try this for a while. I've had it for a couple weeks. This is the Come As You Are 90s themed palette by Carity. Carity, I absolutely love their eyeshadows. Their Picante palette's my favorite for neutrals, and I love their blush and highlighter duos. Just look at this gorgeousness. I think we're gonna try. I really am focused on that word try. To do some sort of halo eye. I'm really gravitating towards the yellow and this color, this like plum berry color called Gwen, and the yellow is called Riot, to do like a halo eye. So, oh, this really smelly one, the red one, is she thick. So I might use her for my eyeshadow even though she smells so bad. Why did they scent this in? But I'm dipping into the color Riot. If this ruins this eyeshadow before I get to actually use it with real tools, I might be a little upset. Because that's not really showing up, so I'm gonna dip into this other yellow color called Psych. Again, 90s theme. Oh, I could smell it through my, is it possible to smell through your eyelids? I can. Wow, that did nothing. Let's get the color Gwen. This is the worst. It's not really showing up. Why did I decide to do this? If I die, Don't worry, Karina, I don't blame you. Because you specifically wrote on this, do keep away from your eyes. Maybe the other ones don't say keep away. That one's a mess. These ones say keep away. Yep, we're just going for it. Wow, I just busted my eyeshadow. This is not going like how I planned. But do these challenges ever go how you planned? Oh, but the crushness of the shadow works with the slime application tool. Oh, there's shadow going everywhere. I have like a pile of my discards of slime that I've used way too much makeup on. That's like my skin tone. And then I have fresh slime that I'm just picking little pieces off to apply my makeup with. Maybe I need to break all my eyeshadows for them to look good. See, I don't know if that's the color of that plum shade or irritation of my eyes getting allergic reaction because it said for me not to put this near my eyes. Let's not do lower lash eyeshadow because I don't want to die. My eyeshadow look is looking atrocious. I'm hoping if I use highlight, it will just set it off and make everything come together. So I'm using my Flexitarian highlighter, the tried and true favorite highlighter of all time by ColourPop. This looks like a mess now. Let's have a nice shade of lipstick to pull this all together. This is Meringue by Bite Beauty. And then we're gonna do the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And no, I'm not dipping my slime into my Fenty Beauty. Since I couldn't put eyeshadow on the bottom lash line, I feel like I should put some green eyeliner or eyeliner in general. No, green will be too much. Let's do blue. Yeah, let's do blue. I wish these came in yellow and orange because these NYX Off Tropic Pro Liners are amazing. All right, let's do the lashes finally. Curl them with mascara and falsies. So now that I have my lashes on, that's the end of our makeup transformation using DIY slime to apply our makeup. The foundation actually isn't as bad as I thought with a stick foundation and some powder, but the eyeshadow is horrendous. I'm trying to cover it with these eyes by the Dollar Lash Club in the style Cassie, one of my favorites. The eyeliner, I got away with using a pencil, but everything else is... Actually, the foundation is looking splotchy. It's not covering a lot, to be honest. It's not great, but what did I expect? It's a little better than I actually expected. So, hope you guys had fun doing slime with me for the first time. Like, this is gonna be so fun to play with, just like soothing my anxiety with the slime. That's what I'm hoping to get from this, is just slime to play with. Thank you to Karina Garcia for making this slime. I love the clear one with the fruit stuff especially, and I love the smell of this butter popcorn slime. Can't wait to play with that. Little disclaimer, if you guys do this, I might not suggest it because it does say not to put it near your eyes, so I wouldn't do this. I'm just crazy and didn't read that disclaimer before I did this, so don't, no. My crow's feet, the outer corners of my eyes, it does have a lot of creasing from using the slime to apply the makeup, so it's not the greatest. Leave me a comment down below on what you guys would like to see Makeup Mondays for these videos. Subscribe for more videos. I do videos twice a week on Mondays and Fridays. On Mondays we do like more beauty makeups, and Fridays we do more effects makeups. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!